name is Lemuz. I'm the sales manager for MaxGrip Americas based at Houston, Texas. MaxGrip is a global consultancy in asset performance management founded in 1997. We're a one-step partner combining software and services to turn strategy into measurable operational impact. Our teams are subject matter experts, SMEs, to strengthen asset data, drive sustainable change, and apply AI where it creates real business value. Many organizations still operate in reactive mode and rely on preventative programs that are not fully risk justified. Traditional reliability-centered maintenance initiatives often stop at analysis. They generate documentation but fail to translate strategy into daily execution. Our RCM program closes that gap. We combine structured reliability engineering with hands-on implementation, ensuring maintenance strategies are justified, prioritized, and embedded. Our program follows a structured and proven approach. First, we define scope and align on KPIs to ensure clarity on business objectives. Second, we assess and treat the risk through asset criticality analysis using a tailored risk matrix. We then determine the most appropriate maintenance strategy per asset, whether it's run to failure, time-based, condition-based, or predictive maintenance. And finally, we implement that strategy, optimize job plans and workflows, and ensure clients take ownership and continuously improve for long-term optimal performance. Our approach is proven and scalable. We combine deep subject matter expertise, boots on the ground experience, ensuring strategies work in practice, not just on paper. Pilot programs validate value quickly and accelerate broader deployment. Embedded change management builds client ownership and ensures long-term adoption of RCM principles. At SFPUC, that's a San Francisco Public Utility Commission, we achieved a potential 87% reduction in firefighting work orders and a 44% reduction in operational routes. At a leading U.S. energy company, we reduced multi-site implementation time by more than 60% and improved maintenance compliance to nearly 100%. We also achieved over 30% process optimization. These results demonstrate that reliability engineer, when properly executed, delivers measurable operational and financial impact. MaxGrip's RCM program represents reliability engineering executed at scale. It transforms maintenance from reactive firefighting into a structured, risk-driven strategy aligned with business objectives. It delivers measurable improvements in reliability, safety, and cost performance.